Hey, welcome back everybody. So I've been on like a hiatus for about a week now. So I'm in school right now and it's about 3 hours from my house. I'm finally back after like a week and a half. So these videos is going to be kind of hard to come by because I don't have my setup. I don't have my photographer with me. All right? So in this video, like I said, I like to keep my videos short and sweet so you get straight to the information and you go back to your workouts and your dieting and just being awesome human beings out in life. All right? I feel like if you sit there looking at a video for too long, you know, information is going to kind of go in one ear and out the other. Alright, so this video, I want to focus in on this book I got, right? This is a school I'm going, ISSA, alright? In this book, they talk about human growth hormone. So I'm going to just go ahead and read out about this human growth hormone. And the reason why I want to read it out of the book, so you guys get the finite, definition of what human growth hormone is and how it decreases from when you're 20 to the age of about 80, okay? So, human growth hormone stimulates tissue growth, mobilizes fatty acids for energy, and it inhibits CHO metabolism. Right. So basically, what that means, one of the key things you want to get out of that is that human growth hormones mobilizes the fatty acids. All right. Excuse me. Yes, fatty acids. Sorry, fatty acids. Right. So basically, that takes it out of the adipose tissue. Take the fatty acids out of the adipose tissue, and then it pushes it in the bloodstream, where it then goes to the liver, and then your body is able to use it, for energy. So basically, taking it out of the adipose tissue is that fat, that layer of fat you have. So it basically takes it out of that. That's why human growth hormone is very, very important. And human growth hormone, it activates while we sleep. That's why sleeping is very, very crucial. So a lot of people are talking about, oh, I need that much sleep. I don't need that much sleep. Okay, you're kidding yourself. You need to take a sleep. You need to sleep better, have better sleep, a little bit longer. Just so you can go ahead and activate that human growth hormone so you can get better results. A little bit also I want to go into is the stages of where human growth hormone decrease. So, every year after turning 20, the body produces less and less growth hormone. At 20 years old, people average 500 micrograms of human growth hormone per day. That level drops to 200, and then by the age of 40, it drops. 200 by the age of 40, and then by the time you turn 80, growth hormone drops to 25. Right. So, throughout your time, your growth hormone is decreasing. So make sure you go ahead and, like I said, stay active throughout your life. Throughout your life, if you stay active, stay fit, this is going to help you out. Get good sleep. I just want to go ahead and read that to you guys straight out of the book so you guys have a better understanding what human growth hormone is and how it's going to affect you in your training. Alright, guys, if you like this video, please hit a like, go ahead and subscribe, and go ahead and share the video. I do appreciate everything you guys have been doing for the channel, and thank you for watching. Appreciate it.